Wait. Tell me.
Just having a look at your food. Yeah.
More same you, but different noodle, I think. Or same. Yeah. I big one. Ooh. Of tom yum.
What is it? Tom yum?
Yep, tom yum. I don't know. Own style dish.
And this is a chicken curry noodles. And how much is this one? So the 40 or 50 baht, I think.
Yeah.
$2.
What last night? 400.
Last night was $100. This is $2. That's the difference between going to a foreigner restaurant and a Thai restaurant.
See you next time. I'm gonna mix.
Where are we?
Pattaya.
Where are we going?
Take my husband for walk.
Oh, to where?
Romantic.
The walking street.
Walking street, sucking street, saka. It's me, Basil.เราตักน้ำซุปคนๆด้วยนะจ๊ะ
Nah says she's going to make some Pad Kaprow now, yeah? What do you got there?
King mushroom.
So, you're going to put mushrooms in it, yeah?
Yep.
What else do you put in there?
Thai basil there, see?
So, where's the Thai basil?
There.
Where? Oh, you mean in here?
That chili.
Okay, so we've got
Chili garlic.
garlic and chili in there. A whole load of it. I don't know if you can see it. There's garlic, chili. Alright, so we've got the, where's the Thai basil?
Yeah.
Oh, in here. Okay, so we've
Why
got
to get look? Pom.
a container of Thai basil.
เราพร้อมโชว์ลูกวิดีโอมาแล้วถูกฮอต
Okay, what else?
She start now.
Yeah.
It's beer.
An essential in cooking kapow at Na's kitchen is a beer. Normally we drink Leo, but we bought a carton of Budweiser just for something different.
Forget family to try.
So it's already made an omelette here.
พริกใส่ไปจามกันตูดดูมาพริกดิ
So we've got oiled up
ใส่หมดเลยเหรอ
pork.
ใส่เลยลูกมาเข้ามา
Put the chili garlic. Is there anything else in there other than chili and garlic? No, just chili and garlic in the mortar and pestle. On the wok with a bit of oil. She's adding a little bit more oil. Oh, is that on? Shit, that was scary. I thought you put the gas on without It sounds like a jet stream. Alright, so you can already smell the aromas of the chili and garlic. So we've got pork mince. Normally it's not that nice in a container. Normally it just comes out of a plate or something, out of a plastic bag. Okay, pork mince goes in. That's going to be a big kapow.
Yep, for whole family.
Yeah, normally you just need a handful.
For whole family.
That's about a pound of pork.
whole family. We not just cook for ourselves.
Oh, is that right?
So this one I put because we don't have pork stock.
Pork stock, yeah.
And we use pork scoop.
So this is a pork. That's a pork cube.
Yeah.
Other people would use pork stock. Just to cook it up. We've got our assistant Maya here. She's
Master chef.
Master Junior Chef.
Yeah. When it gets too hot, then you put a little bit water in there.
Okay, so she's put a bit of water in, and obviously we'll do the same as putting pork stock in. She's put water in a stock cube. And then Na's checking her lottery tickets while she's cooking.
I have someone cook for me.
So the pork is cooking through. And then what next?
Wait for that juice.
Wait for the pork to cook and the juice to boil off a little bit.
Okay, สุกแล้วยังอ้าวใจเย็นใจเย็น
Jain means
ช้า
cha.
ๆแล้วต้อง
Slowly. And then there's a must to look at your phone while you're cooking. Put some music on.
ใส่เห็ดเข้าไป
Oh, so we've got mushrooms in there. You don't always put mushrooms in there though, do you? That's
Yep.
just an option.
Depend what you want, you can put bok choy
Yeah.
whatever you feel like or snack bean
Snake beans, yep.
ทำอะไรมันก็คุยกันเนี่ยเลยมันก็ร้อยอยู่นี่แหละสองคู่
Mum's asking a question. She's looking over them. The master chef is checking that everything's all right. All right, so we got oyster sauce going in.
oyster sauce น้ำปลาหนูอะ Basically I put fish sauce in but I feel they always put fish sauce
Too much fish sauce, yeah.
but
So this is
I put soy
soy. That's the Maggi though, isn't it? That's
mung
sort of-
bean
Oh, okay, so it's mung bean soy. I think that's a light soy, yeah? Very light.
เดี๋ยวใจเย็น and press
No kaffir lime in this one?
ขายดำไม่ทำอะไรมา
No, you're not putting kaffir lime in this version? No?
Because we not do like curry style taste
Not bad.
อร่อยมาก
Oh, the chili's chili got me a whack.
Then I put capsicum in
Put
Thai
some capsicum. Yeah, just some sort of greens.
วุ่นวายเนอะ
Alright. What's Mum asking?
หน้าเขตหัวเป๊กไปเนี่ย So then nearly ready
Almost ready.
we put กะเพรา in
So
that's
she's putting
ล้างหรือยังน่ะล้างแล้ว this Thai basil
Thai basil in.
แล้วหนูไปเด็ดกะเพรา
Thai basil is not sweet basil. It's got a bit of a bite to it.
ใส่แม่ช่วยดำนะหนูเด็ดมายังไง
It's more of a peppery.
มันมีประวัติเขียนชื่อมันจะได้เด็ด เราจะได้ขายได้เดี๋ยวไปนี่คนลูกคนมีปากเลยทำมี
Peppery, basil-y, mint.
เราจะกินกะเพรา
There's a bit of everything in there, but it's got a real. Oh, okay. She's decided to throw everything in.
Yep They would call it Krapow.
Yeah.
Thai Basil.
Yeah, just chuck it all in because they do like it. Yeah.
And then good, you know, good for stomach.
Yeah.
But
So basically, putting the extra greens in there is good for your, good for number twos.
fry.
Alright. So now is it just simmering, yeah?
What beer rồi? Hả? Beer.
So if you went to a street stall, they'd cook it similar, but they'd cook it really quickly. They'd put just oil, a lot less water in there, and it's literally done in like a minute and a half, not even. And then so you've got your regular kapow. Then normally it gets served with an egg. That's the Kai Dow, yeah?
No, I didn't make Kai Dow.
No, but what do you call it?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Kai Dow, fried egg.
So what's the basil with the egg called? The whole full name?
Pad Kaprow Kai Dow.
Okay, that's it. So if you wanted to order that at a restaurant, that's how you say it, yeah?
Yep.
Say it one more time.
Pad Kaprow Kai Dow.
There you go.
Thai Basil, chili with fried egg.
Yep, yeah, Pad Kaprow with fried egg, so you get the egg on it. That's how you would order it in any stall, and it's pretty much almost every place will make it for you. So if they don't have something, they've always got kapow, because you can see you can just throw everything. So we're ready for dinner. We've got the omelette, we've got the kapow.
Yep.
That's the cabbage. What's that in Thai?
Pad Kalam.
Yep, with pork.
Pad Kalam pi sai mu.
Oh. So mu is the pork part,
Yep.
yeah?
Fried cabbage with pork.
Okay. So there you have it.
โอ้ยพ่อกูเมาเนี่ยเลย Hello?
And ready to eat.
ร้อนคนหลายๆร้อน Where are we going, baby?
What does that mean? That means hot.
Yeah, you want to try tonight.
Yeah.
The US sausage.
You like big sausage?
Yeah, I like fresh. Fresh, baby.
You want a big German sausage?
Yeah.
You like German sausage?
Aussie sausage,
Oh,
baby.
okay.
Back.
Nice hat.
Look like Leo talking.
Yeah, I like your hat.
Yeah, baby.
Where'd you get that from?
Mom.
Oh, Mum. Mum's using a bag now. Oh, it's hot. Very hot.
ร้อน
Oh,
จะไปไหนเนี่ยมาขอเก็บที่อะไรกันรออยู่นี่ไหมเนี่ยอยู่ตรงเนี้ยรออยู่นี่เลย
where are we going?
Go get our shirt.
Go get our laundry, yeah? Off to get our laundry. It's quite hot.
Okay, we see Chinatown.
Yeah, if we survive this trip.
Yep. Thank you, honey. Sometimes tired because walk too much, but we do every single, situation.
Situation, yeah.
Now we go Tuk Tuk before we fly out.
Oh my god. Hanging on for dear life here.
So we want to eat over there in the market, but they have a tour.
Yeah,
Too busy to get a table,
yeah.
and everyone start grumpy and hot. So better get takeaway and go
Yeah,
hotel.
that's fair enough.
Yep. Cool cocktail.
Yeah.
It's the last one now. We don't want to do too much before we catch the airplane.
Yeah.
Otherwise we're gonna tired before we go.
Off to
Vietnam.
Vietnam tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, if we make it out alive out of this tuk tuk. Oh god. Five people smushed into a little three-wheeler.